So building dams, water flows, purification, storage, connections, water meters, all of this is something which we already have it. And that is what I'm relating to our data engineer. Then we talked about one of the root in terms of every other skill. It's none other than data engineers. I always feel very proud of being a data engineer because without us, there is very difficult to get the projects for all the other roles. Then we were talking about some of the analogy, why the data is getting bigger and bigger. And before that, I was also showing you a real-time use case, how the data engineer could be helpful in school report. As I said, attendance system, subject marks, subject details programs could be different data set coming from different departments. And as a data engineer, it's my responsibility to collect all of this data and store it in one place and then use it for the analysis. And for that, I used some sort of technical words, data pipelines, collecting and injecting, then data cleaning and transformations, then data governance and security. Well, all of this are the responsibility of a data engineer. Then I was talking about few of the applications that was in the last 20 years, why this technology has become boom. It's because we know that how the data is getting increased on daily basis. And because of this, the active users, the usage, the internet, as well as your smartphones has created a major impact. And we were also talking about what is the reason that why it's getting bigger and bigger. It's none other than internet users, smartphones, sensors, smart devices, IoT. All of this is the biggest culprits who has increased the data like anything. Then followed by, we talked about, can I ignore it? Definitely not. If I'm ignoring it, I'm ignoring my business as well. So we need to take care of this. We cannot ignore. More data, more analysis, more results, more profit. And finally, we were talking about data engineer. So what is a data engineer? Data engineer is a person who's going to extract data from the different data sources, transform it according to the standards, and then load it into the system so that it is usable in most of the scenarios, correct? Now, why it is needed? As we know that if the data pipelines is not built, there could be overflow, there could be system crash, there could be server issues, and you may not get the proper apps to use. You'll have a lot of bug fixings, everything, and the system will be very much in spoiler, right? So for that, we need to have a proper integration systems. And as I said, you need to have a proper storage and processing so that the immediate you can get the system. Okay.